In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change language on ClickUp. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the language controls, how to switch to your preferred language, and how to make sure your changes stick. First, open ClickUp in your browser or desktop app and sign into your workspace. You can be anywhere inside the app, your home, a space, a list, or a task. The setting we need is always available from your account menu. Now look for your profile avatar. It's the small circular icon for your account, typically found on the main app interface. Click that avatar to open your account menu. From this menu, choose Settings. This takes you to your personal profile settings, where you control how ClickUp looks and behaves for your account. Inside Settings, find the section labeled Language and Region. Go ahead and open it. This page handles both the language that the interface uses and regional preferences like date and time formats, which makes it the perfect place to tailor ClickUp to how you work. Next, choose your preferred language. You'll see a drop-down or list of available languages. Pick the one you want the interface to use. This affects menus, buttons, system messages, and many built-in labels across ClickUp. It won't change the actual content you or your teammates have typed into tasks, comments, or document bodies. That content stays in whatever language it was written. If you collaborate with a global team, this is especially useful because each person can choose a language that works best for them without affecting others. Once you've selected your language, make sure to save your changes. Look for the Save Changes button and click it. ClickUp may update the interface right away, or you might see a quick refresh as the new language loads. If it doesn't switch immediately, a quick manual refresh of the page usually does the trick. A few helpful tips as you finish up. These language settings are tied to your account, so they travel with you across devices as long as you're signed in. If you work in multiple workspaces, the preference generally applies to your profile rather than a single workspace, keeping things consistent. While you're on the language and region page, you can also review regional formatting like your date style or the start of the week to match local conventions, but you don't need to change those to update your language. That's all there is to it. You've successfully changed the language on ClickUp. If you found this walkthrough helpful, feel free to revisit these steps anytime you need to switch languages again. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.